So we had the first exam of the semester in hydrology today, and so this was covering mostly topics from chapter 7 in our textbook, and I'm not going to show the entirety of the exam on the screen, but I am going to have a couple of questions up, and I'm just curious to see if anybody watching this on YouTube gets the right answer. So put your answers in the comments, and I'll let you know if that's correct. So here's the first of the two questions that I'm going to show to you. This is just some matching concept questions. So you should probably pause this, figure out which of the definitions goes with which of the terms. So I'll pause for a moment. And now here is the second exam question that I'm going to share with you. You can see this is question 12, so there were quite a few others the students did, but this is one I'm willing to put on the internet. Work through it and put your answer in the comments. I'll let you know if you get it correct.